the fastest man alive. And his pal, the Flash. Selfie!
Joker! How? Lockdown, now! No one gets in or out until I find him.
Hands where I can see him, Mr. Luthor.
Hi there. Glad to see you. Lexi, baby, funky boo.
Joker, how random.
Kiss me. Mwah.
No.
Same old Lex. Come on, let's get going.
Prison?
Oh, right. A mother box.
Where did you...
A little present for my dear old friend Assad. What those new gods won't think of next.
Stop!
Sayonara, slowpoke.
Your gadget seems a little off.
It may not be one of the big boom tube models, but it gets a fellow where he wants to go. When I heard you'd been locked up for some trivial infraction...
Creating the bomb of ultimate destruction.
Bingo! I decided I must break you out and treat you to the best day ever.
Why? We've only been tenuous allies before, at best. What do you really want, Joker?
Want? Me? What? No. I like you, Lex. Honest. And sometimes I worry you're not happy.
And I worry you're completely off your meds. Goodbye.
Now, I've made a list of fun things to do. First, the beach. Look, it's almost paradise. Oh, Lex, I wouldn't go there.
Stay where you are. Luthor? Great Hera, Joker too?
That's Princess Killjoy for you. We'll take our fun elsewhere.
Joker, where are we?
Quick, what are the two sweetest words in the English language?
Destroy Superman.
Well, yes, they are on the list. But actually, I was thinking... Love Bloom! Beep, beep. No, I love this place.
Yes, you do.
Welcome to Big Belly Burger. May I take your order, please?
Give me 2 belly busters, heavy all, 3 belly tacos, más jalapenos, por favor, double belly cheese fries, and Lex?
Tea. Hot.
And your wacky meal toys are what again?
It's a space rocket or a sunshine unicorn.
Oh, I can't decide. I'd better take both.
Holiday's over, Joker.
Wrong as always, Patsy. The clock is ticking. Parking is such a pain in this city. You're too late, Batman. The Gutbuster blows at midnight. Good thing I didn't wear a skirt. Many thanks for facilitating my escape, kind alien brute, sir.
I am Mongol of Warworld.
A vibrant cultural epicenter worth visiting, I'm sure. But if you wouldn't mind dropping me off at the abandoned amusement park 3 miles south of Arkham Asylum.
I am Emperor Mongol.
So what can I do for you, your heinousness?
You are Joker of planet Earth.
I am Joker of Earth. This is fun.
Make warriors laugh or suffer.
When you say suffer, you mean of embarrassment, right? Good evening, ladies and germs. Why don't alien invaders eat clowns? Because they taste funny. But on with our show. What did the magician say to the fisherman? Pick a card. Any card. Yeah, Aquaman doesn't care for that one either. An alien walks into a doctor's office with a duck on his head. Doctor says, "Can I help you?" Duck says, "Yeah, get this alien off my butt." Hey, folks, what's the deal with Batman's gadgets, huh? I mean, batarangs, bat cars, bat signals. Dude, we get it. You love bats. And what's the deal with superhero names? I mean, Superman. Wonder Woman. You don't see me calling myself Awesome Joker. What would you find in Superman's lavatory? Why can't you Super Bowl? Why did the belt go to jail? Trust me, brother, it ain't my idea of yucks either.
Warriors not laughing.
Well, if you feel you're ready for that kind of zinger, shake on it. If anyone wants my autograph, I'll be in my dressing room.
You will be in space.
I won't be able to breathe. Please be enemies.
Mongol, we can settle our business later. Wonder Woman, I have Joker. Rendezvous at the docking bay.
Hello?
Are you kidding me? I suppose you brought some kind of poisonous gas.
No, I really just came for the tour. Got this idea from an old Bugs Bunny cartoon.
Eradicate. Eradicate.
I've doomed us all! Oh, okay. You know what? That was the last drone.
Intruder alert. Deploying additional drones.
Unknown associate? Oh, come on! Can I borrow your phone?
Sure. He's in my favorites.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Batman.
Is not available.
Not gonna lie, that was awesome! What about the training kitchen we were in? Can we hide there?
There's too many of them. We'll never make it. Might be enough, but only for one. My bad.
Hero? Certainly not today.
Run faster, you big battle axe!
was getting a little bit tired of all their droning on. No, wait. How about now, that's what I call a game of drones. How about romancing the drone? Yeah, that one doesn't even make any sense, man. In the end, they were just flesh and drone. Hey, guys, could you drone it down? You're good.
I have to hand it to you, Booster. Using your tech to create hologram duplicates? Awesome.
Yeah, Goldilocks, even I'm impressed. And I'm a Batman villain.
Actually, these aren't duplicates. These are real boosters from alternate timelines. This is Booster if I had stayed in bed this morning, and this is Booster from a world without love. I'm sad. We sort of have a phone tree thing everybody calls too. Hey, thanks again, guys. Here you go. Marshmallows. What? Hey, everybody gets one. Got it. Yeah, baby. All right, sweet. Hey, thanks, man. You're the best. No, you're the best. Ciao.
Joker? What's the big idea? Buckle up, movie star. It's going to be a bumpy ride! As soon as they realize you've kidnapped famous actor Mark Hamill, you're a big star. The studios will pay plenty of simoleons to get you back. Oh, you bet they will. You're my favorite actor. I loved in that 70s classic about a young lad who fights impossible odds to fulfill his destiny. What was that called? Oh, yeah. Corvette Summer.
Your jokes are old, Joker, and they're never funny.
Old jokes? They're classics. You of all people should understand brand management.
Mommy, the clown's here.
You're late, clown.
Why you
And you'll tell us jokes, Mr. Clown?
jokes?
Yeah, let's hear some jokes.
Ooh, say hello to your birthday clown. Oh, you must be so proud. They really are the future.
Hey, Mrs. Leibowitz, brought you that ice cream you wanted. Let her go!
And who's gonna make me, kid? Didn't anyone tell you? Children should be seen and not heard. Now I have to cut you in half. I can't hear you.
Shazam! A birthday clown? That's low. Even for you, Joker.
There are no small parts. Only...
No more jokes. We want balloon animals.
Oh, dang it. I can fix this.